everyone, it's Amanda with Swift Galleries, and I'm back with another quick tip for today. Today, we're going to learn how to create tabletop collections for your clients. So, I am in here with one of my clients. This is their room. I'm going to go, though, and we're going to assume that your client doesn't already have shelves on their wall. So, cool thing is you can go through all these stock photos until you get down here to some of the ones that feature tabletops. So let's go with this one for today. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and delete the work I had been doing here. We're going to start from scratch. Okay, so you've got your tabletop here as well as some shelves. So you're going to go to, move my little self up here. We're going to go to add product, and let's say your client wants to do frames. Let's go with a gray one to finish our ad. Okay, so this is obviously too big for this shelf. So let's go to resize product, and let's find a couple that will fit better with this shelf size. Okay, so what I'm going to do is create duplicates of these, and you can click actually here, apply resize, and then once you have it, click D, and that will duplicate for you. And this just gives me a bunch of frames to work with. Okay, so I don't want them all to be the same size. I want to go ahead and change some of these product sizes. So we're going to change that one to an 8x10. This one, because we've got pretty decent room with these shelves, let's change this one to a larger size that would fit well. You know what? Let's go with 10x20. That'd be kind of cool to show your clients what that would look like. Throw that one down there. Let's go ahead and keep a 5x7, and then let's resize this one as well. Let's go 11x14 on that one. Okay, and I'm going to rotate a couple of these until we get something that will give our clients some options here. Okay, so with this, once you've created your different products and put them in here, then you can arrange them on the shelves accordingly. So let's see, let's maybe save this one for up top here. Actually, let's kind of put this one in the middle. I think this would be kind of a cool like middle statement piece. Maybe let's stick one of the taller ones down here and maybe do some different sizes here. I'm going to go ahead and again, this one's my 8x10 size. I'm going to go ahead and press D to duplicate and put that up there. And let's throw in another 5x7. Okay, so this one looks a little funny to me since they're the same size. Let's go ahead and resize this product as well. Let's go, you know what? Let's go square. Let's go, well, let's try it. Okay. And then maybe we move this one down to this shelf and move an 11x14 up here. So the fun thing is you can kind of just play around and see what works best on this shelf. I'm not super happy with this design, but I'm kind of liking what I got going on down here. So let's go ahead and keep this bottom shelf. And there's a couple of really handy tools you can use. This one I want to bring forward, so it's in front. So there's this button that says bring forward, so that'll pop that there. The way you can show your clients what it would look like to kind of stack these behind each other. Let's go with that. And we'll bring this one forward as well. There we go. And then this one, let's go ahead and make this just kind of a statement for the middle. And we'll press D to duplicate. We'll do a couple of 5x7s on either side of this. And let's rotate these ones. Okay, so now you've created your client a desktop collection for something that's going to look good on their walls, on their shelves. And then from here, all you need to do is pop in and select the photo that you want. And it'll bring up your cropping guide, apply crop. There you go. So you can fill that in for all the rest of these and show your client what it would look like to have pictures on their desktop and not just on their wall. Thanks for joining in, and I'll see you next time for another quick tip.